to present the internal control system in Parañaque City College.
Internal control in Parañaque City College refers to the policy, rules, and procedure implemented by the school to maintain safety, discipline, and an effective learning environment. One common problem related to internal control is the carrying of forbidden items by students. These items may include weapons, vape, cigarette, legal substances, sharp objects, or other material that are not allowed inside the campus.
There are several reasons why some students bring forbidden items into the college. First is lack of awareness. Some students may not be fully informed about the school's rules and policies regarding forbidden items. Second is peer influence. Students may be influenced by friends or classmates who encourage bringing or using forbidden items. Third is personal habits or lifestyle. Some items such as vapes, cigarettes may be part of a student's personal habit, leading them to bring these items without considering school rules. Fourth is weak enforcement of rules. If security check and disciplinary actions are not consistently enforced, students may feel that rules are not strict and can be ignored. Fourth is curiosity or rebellion. Especially amongst young students, curiosity or to desire challenge authority can lead to rule-breaking behavior.
The presence of such items can pose risk to the safety of students, staff, faculty, and may disrupt the academic environment. Carrying a forbidden item is a serious concern that affects the safety and discipline of Parañaque City College. Strengthening internal control through communication of policy, consistent enforcement of rules, proper security measures, and student awareness programs can help address this problem. By promoting responsibility and discipline among students, the college can maintain a safe and orderly learning environment for everyone.